Okay, guys, look. You know what just happened right now? We just came inside from doing the video, and we keep on hearing like somebody's throwing a bomb or something, and we're gonna go outside and figure it out. Yeah.
We're putting this on YouTube because, you know, if they do see our channel, they might just.
Never mind. Oh, we can't go outside. My dad doesn't let us.
Inside.
I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, this is.
Oh my God. Did
Oh,
you guys hear that?
I know what that is.
What?
That's lightning,
That's lightning.
and it's hitting somewhere, guys. Oh my.
We might be able to go through the other door.
No, we can't. We can't go over there. If it hits us, because we were using the phone. Oh my God, guys. I'm like so scared right now because this is lightning. This is lightning, guys. Oh my God, we have a lot of mud. Okay. Oh my God.
I have my feet off.
Oh yeah, and this is
Snort.
a little collectible that Isaac got from McDonald's. But either way, oh my God, guys. Please tell me in the comments below, what is this sound? Please help us. We're